Fathom Analytics app. The pros, the cons. The Fathom Analytics app is gaining attention as a privacy-focused alternative to traditional web analytics, but most people get this wrong. It's not just about tracking visitors. The surprising truth is that Fathom delivers actionable insights while fully respecting user privacy, making it a favorite for businesses concerned about GDPR compliance. One of the biggest pros is simplicity. The dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, and highlights key metrics like page views, referral sources, and goal conversions without overwhelming you with unnecessary data. Unlike traditional analytics tools, Fathom doesn't use cookies, which means no annoying pop-ups for users and no headaches for compliance officers. Another advantage is speed. The app loads quickly, and data updates in near real time. Its lightweight design reduces server load, which can improve overall website performance, a subtle but impactful benefit. Fathom also provides link tracking and goal tracking, making it easier to see which marketing campaigns drive real results. However, there are cons to consider. The app is minimalist, which means it lacks some advanced features found in tools like Google Analytics, such as deep segmentation, heat maps, or app testing integration. Some users also report that exporting data or integrating with other marketing platforms requires additional effort. In conclusion, the Fathom Analytics app is ideal for businesses that want straightforward, privacy-compliant analytics without unnecessary complexity. Its focus on simplicity, speed, and compliance makes it perfect for small to medium-sized websites or privacy-conscious brands. While it may not replace more robust analytics suites for power users, it offers a clean, efficient, and ethical way to track website performance and marketing effectiveness.